Welcome back to our next video, that is importance of the national income. So total 6 points are there for what it is important. Means the national income which is calculated, it is important for the various sectors. The first one is for the economy. So for the economy means what it is, that is the national income. The national income is useful for the economy. That means we can compare that what is the position of the economy at present and what was the position of the economy in the previous years, just because of the national income, because national income helps to collect the data, because for the national income the data is only collected for that calculation itself, and with the help of that we can come to know that what is the position of our economy. Next is national policies. So different policies are made in our country. National policies, that means different policies are made in the economy. The policies are made for the various sectors. Just consider कि अगर जैसे एग्रीकल्चरल सेक्टर इज देयर, इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर इज देयर, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज देयर, फिशरीज आर देयर, all other sectors are there. And when they will study about the national income, and when they come to know that the agricultural sector is not giving that much output, so the government will try to make the different policies so that the agricultural sector production should increase. So that is known as the national policies. Just due to the national income, they will come to know which sector is not able to produce the expected production, and accordingly they will make the policies. Next is economic planning. So economic planning means what it is, that already now this chapter, I can say full chapter is given in the 11th standard economic subject itself. So economic planning means what it is, the planning is made for the economy again. That is what should be the agricultural sector production, how much it should be, industrial sector production, and all the plannings are done there, which is we can say it is just possible due to the national income itself. National income होने की वजह से we can make the economic planning properly. Next one is economic research. See now, many economists are there, many researchers are there, those who do the research continuously on our economy. मतलब वो पता लगवाते हैं कि किधर से इकोनॉमी का डाउन है, किधर we can say where there is necessity for the improvement and all. So researchers are there, they continuously do the production work, or even they try to do the research on various things continuously. So economic research means what it is, that the economists, or we can say the researchers, they do the research on the economy. Wherever the economy is lagging, they try to make the changes accordingly, and the research is possible just due to the availability of the data. Fifth one is comparison of standard of living. See now, standard of living means what it is now, first of all, then we will go towards the comparison. Standard of living does not mean only that wearing good clothes or just looking good and all, but standard of living means the education facility should be good, health facility should be good, or proper nutrition should be there, education should be there with the person. That is known as the standard of living. So with the help of national income, a country's standard of living can be compared with the other country's standard of living. दो countries ले लो कोई भी example में, you can compare the standard of living of both the countries. So that is known as comparison of standard of living. Next is distribution of income. So distribution of income, if you know the national income, the can you say that just consider कि individual, हर एक individual की income same है क्या इधर? No, each and every individual has the different income. So distribution of income, that means the income of each and every person, each and every individual is totally different. It is not distributed equally. So that is known as the distribution of income. Thank you.